Hello everyone. We have with us Ms. Rami Niranjan Desai. She's one of our interview panelists at the Interview Guidance Program by Shubhra Ranjan IS Study and Institute for Humanities. Ms. Desai has over 20 years of work experience working in conflict areas, as well as she works as a writer for various blog posts from across the world. So ma'am, I would just like for you to tell our viewers a bit more about what they should be studying and what they should be focusing on within the field of IR if UPSC is what they're targeting.
So, Vani, thank you for asking me that question. Just to clarify that I write for magazines, newspapers, and online portals. But I think the world is going through a churn, and we see a new global world order that's emerging. Therefore, everything is important right now, whether it is India, taking on a leadership role in the global south, or it is the West and the rest of the world engaging. US, China, the recalibration of relations, is it or is it not? Uh, India, how it's positioning itself and looking at its foreign policy, which is driven by its own national interests, whether it engages with the West or the East, or as of very recently with Russia, with President Putin's visit to India. I think all of this is important. The free and open Indo-Pacific, as well as, I think, the East. I think this rebalance of power has brought up a lot of questions and a lot of geopolitical changes. But I think in India, what is really important to us is the neighborhood. There are two upcoming elections, which is in Myanmar and Bangladesh. There has been unrest in countries like Nepal. Also, our relationship with Pakistan. I think all of this should be foremost in our minds.
Right. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. That was majorly my question, and I'm sure that it will help our aspirants a lot. The ones who are preparing for the further attempts to come, and the ones who will also be appearing for the interviews in the recent times. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you,
joining
Valia.
us.